Hi, this is Dr. G.K. Sandhya, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computing Technologies, SRM Institute of Science and Technology. Today, we are going to discuss about the topic called software maintenance and types. First, we'll see what is software maintenance, why we need software maintenance. Software maintenance refers to the process of modifying and updating the software system after it has been delivered to the customer or the end user. This can include we can fix the errors or we can fix the bugs, adding new technologies or new features or improving the performance or updating the software to work with the new environment or new hardware devices. The goal of the software maintenance is to keep the software system working correctly or perfectly, efficiently, and also securely to ensure that it continues to meet the customer needs. There are several aspects why we need to maintain the software products. First thing is bug fixing. If at all you find any error or bugs, then we need to go for software maintenance. Enhancements. If you want to add extra functionalities to the software which we have developed, then we can go for software product maintenance. Next thing is performance optimization. In order to increase the speed or improve the efficiency, or sometimes if you want to provide reliability of the software also, then we can go for performance optimization in terms of software maintenance. Documentation, the process of creating, updating, maintaining the software which we have developed, that can also be done with the help of software maintenance. So software maintenance plays a crucial role in software development lifecycle model, and it is necessary to ensure that software continues to meet the customer needs over time period. It is also important to consider the cost and also effort required for maintaining the software products, starting from the planning phase till the software development phase. Software maintenance is the process of modifying the software system in order to deliver the products to the customer, and also it should satisfy the customer needs. The ultimate aim of the software maintenance is to provide the functionality to the software which we have developed, performance also to be increased, and reliability also to be achieved. There are several types of reasons why we need to go for software maintenance. So it is based on the software defects or based on the new user requirements, or if you want to introduce any new user requirements also, or if you want to change any user requirements, if the technology is outdated, or if you want to go for a better technology, you can go for software maintenance. There are some types so that we can use these types to reduce the cost required for software maintenance. First one is corrective maintenance, second one is adaptive maintenance, third one is preventive maintenance, and finally we have perfective maintenance. If you take corrective maintenance, this involves in fixing the errors or defects or bugs in the software system. So if you want to rectify it, then you can go for corrective maintenance. In adaptive maintenance, it involves in modifying the software system so that it will adapt to the changes in the environment, and also such changes will not affect the hardware or the software which we have developed. Next one is perfective maintenance. This involves in improving the functionality, performance of the software, and also the reliability of the software system. Finally, we have preventive measure or preventive maintenance. This involves taking measures to prevent future problems such as updating the documentation, reviewing the system or testing the system, and implementing the preventive measures so that we can avoid the software bugs or software outdations. Software maintenance is a continuous process that happens throughout the life cycle of the software development phase. It is important to have a well-defined maintenance process so that we can do testing and validation and also change control, and also to communicate with the stakeholders. It is important to note that the software maintenance can be costly and complex, especially for large size systems or complex systems. So the cost and effort of the maintenance should also be taken into account during the planning phase as well as at the development phase of the software development project. It also to be considered to have a clear, well-defined maintenance plan that includes regular maintenance activities such as red testing, backup, and bug fixing. Software maintenance is the process of modifying the software product after it has been delivered to the customer or the end user. The main purpose of the software maintenance is to modify and update the software applications after delivering the product to the customer in order to correct the faults or defects or errors so that we can improve the performance of the software. So I can say software development or software maintenance is the very software maintenance plays the very crucial role in software development lifecycle model. To update the software application and to do all modifications in the software application, we need to improve the performance of the software maintenance. Software is a model that run on the basis of the real world. So whenever the change requires in the software, that has to be incorporated immediately with the help of software maintenance. Next is need for the software maintenance. As I said earlier, if you want to change the errors in the software or bugs in the software, or if you want to improve the design phase also, you can go for software maintenance. If suppose the customer wants to enhance the work also, then they can come with the requirements, either like changing requirements or new requirements also. So the software maintenance has to be adaptable in nature according to the changes which it encounters from the end user or by the developer side. We have several types of software maintenance we have discussed, that is corrective, preventive, perfective and adaptive. So in this topic we are going to concentrate much on perfective and adaptive. Perfective in the sense, if you want to improve the software performance, you can go for perfective type software maintenance. It involves in taking measures to prevent the failures, bugs, updating the documentation. Everything will come under perfective maintenance. If you want to go for adaptive maintenance, if this phase involves modifying the software system to adapt to changes in the requirement or changes in the environment, such as changes in the hardware or software, so that the product should be adaptable in nature whenever we develop it. That's all. Thank you.